Well, one of the really cool things about kaleidoscopes is it's such a broad art form. So many different mediums can be used, from metal to wood, glass, clay. So it's really neat to see everybody's different take on it. And a lot of times people come from a career in woodworking or, you know, a different style, and then they can apply that to what they make. So there's really a lot of knowledge available in a lot of different specific fields.
What I like to tell people about a kaleidoscope is that they are a metaphor for life. And it's a beautiful thing. In order to get the full appreciation of it, you have to put effort into it. You have to turn it, you have to look into it, change your angles, change the lighting. As you turn it, as you go through life, you can look forward with great expectancy that there's something beautiful around the corner.
A lot of people are attracted to the wood because either they're a woodworker or they wish they could be. They know the woods and the detailing and how difficult it might be to shape that. A lot of people are interested in glass or metal, which is John's. I really like the image. I like to explain to people when they come in the store how that's achieved. And there's a few that I still don't know, but it's almost like I don't want to know. I want to keep the mystery of there.
You can never return precisely to whatever was there before. So you have to cherish those images and moments, and then just look to the future and go from there.